Hi, it's Angeline here. Did you know that Unity Stamp and Graciellie Design just released some new paper packs on Unity Stamp's website? So today I'm going to show you how to create this card using first this stamp called Santa and the Missus by Tierra, which I've also die cut out using the Cat Scrappiness square postage die. And of course, here are the new paper packs by Unity Stamp. I'm grabbing two packs here. The first one called Rustic Winter Wishes, which is just perfect for the holidays. They are 6x6 and they are kind of like a glossy cardstock. And this one is called Rustic Textiles. I love this one as well. It's craft and black colors. So I'm grabbing two pieces of the pattern papers here. They are so pretty. I did not want to cut the design too much, so I'm just going to fill up my entire card using the poinsettia pattern paper here. So I'm roughly eyeballing where to adhere my card to so that the poinsettias are right in the middle. So I'm just placing some adhesive to my card and then just placing my card onto the pattern paper. So what I love about using these pattern papers is that it will fill up your entire background easily, because sometimes we have the writer's block or called scrappy block and we can't think of what to make for our background, and these papers will come in so handy. So now I'm just gonna cut off a strip of this rustic textile piece here to add to my card as well. And of course, being a holiday card, I had to grab some twine to tie everything up together. So I'm grabbing some Trendy Twine here, and I'm grabbing the red and white here to tie across the strip that I just cut. So I've noticed my string wasn't too tight, so I'm just going to do an ad hoc repair here by just using some washi tape and just pulling the string tighter and then adhering it to my card, and you kind of barely notice what happened there because it's right at the back. And I'm also adding some foam adhesive to Santa and the Missus to pop them up onto my card. Then I'm grabbing some Nuvo Dream Drops here and just adding some bling to my card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this and go shop for the new pattern papers. Bye!